Imagine doubling or even tripling your income with just a few hours of extra work each week. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? Welcome to the world of side hustles, where the potential is as limitless as your ambition. In the age of the internet, side hustles have taken on a whole new dimension. They're not just about making a little extra cash anymore. They're about diversifying your income sources, creating multiple revenue streams, and building financial stability. But more than that, side hustles empower you. They give you the freedom to explore your passions, to take risks, and to shape your career on your terms. They can be a springboard to full-time entrepreneurship, or an enjoyable hobby that just happens to pay. The power of side hustles lies in their flexibility and the opportunities they offer. So, are you ready to harness that power? Let's dive into the top 10 ways to maximize your online side hustles. The first step is finding the right side hustle that resonates with your skills and interests. There's a cornucopia of opportunities out there, from freelance writing and graphic design to online tutoring and e-commerce. The key is to find something you're not only good at but also genuinely passionate about. Now, don't just jump into the first idea that catches your fancy. Be strategic, research the market, identify potential niches, and understand the demand. Analyze the competition and figure out how you can differentiate yourself. It's also essential to consider the scalability of your side hustle. Can it grow and evolve with time? Can it provide a steady stream of income, or is it a one-off gig? Remember, the side hustle game is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, perseverance, and research are your best friends in this journey. Once you've found your ideal side hustle, it's time to strategize and plan. A clear, well-thought-out strategy is a key to a successful side hustle. You see, it's not enough to merely have a great idea. You need to have a roadmap that guides you every step of the way. Start by setting clear, achievable goals. What do you want to achieve with your side hustle? Is it financial independence, an opportunity to hone your skills, or simply a creative outlet? Once you've got your goals in place, it's time to plan your time. Remember, this is a side hustle, not a full-time job. You need to strike a balance that allows you to meet your targets without burning out. Next, outline your business model. What's your product or service? Who's your target market? How will you reach them? How will you make money? These are all crucial questions that need answers. With your strategy in place, you're ready to start building your online presence. A strong online presence is crucial in the digital age. Remember, the internet is the global marketplace where you can showcase your side hustle. So how do you establish a strong online presence? First, a professional website is a must. It's your digital storefront where potential customers learn about your hustle and how it can benefit them. Make it sleek, user-friendly, and filled with valuable content that answers your audience's questions. Next, don't underestimate the power of social media. Active profiles on platforms where your target audience hangs out can drive traffic to your website, and in turn, boost sales. Engage with your followers, share valuable content, and show the human side of your hustle. Then there's SEO and content marketing. Use keywords strategically to help your website rank higher on search engines. Publish regular blog posts or videos to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Now that you're visible online, it's time to build your brand. Your brand is your promise to your customer. It's the narrative that tells your story, the vibe that sets you apart, and the ethos that connects you to your audience. Your brand isn't just a logo or a tagline. It's the embodiment of your hustle, the essence of your entrepreneurial spirit. Now let's talk about your logo. Think of it as your visual handshake, the first thing people notice. It needs to be unique, memorable, and representative of your hustle. Moving on to brand voice. This is your communication style, how you express your brand's personality. It's in the words you choose, the tone you adopt, and the messages you send. Keep it consistent across all platforms. Lastly, brand values. These are the principles you stand by, the beliefs that guide your actions. Your values should resonate with your audience, building trust and fostering loyalty. With a solid brand, you can start to build a loyal customer base. Remember, your brand is more than just a name, it's an experience. Loyal customers are more than just repeat business. They are your side hustle's backbone, your advocates, your word-of-mouth marketers. They help your business grow and thrive. So how do you build a loyal customer base? First, prioritize customer service. It's not just about delivering a product or a service, it's about delivering an experience. Be responsive, be helpful, be professional. Show your customers that you value their time and their business. Second, build relationships. Get to know your customers, understand their needs, their wants, their pain points. Then, tailor your products or services to meet those needs. Personalize their experience, make them feel special. Third, implement strategies for customer retention. Reward loyalty. Offer discounts, exclusive deals, or loyalty programs. Keep your customers engaged and coming back for more. Remember, a satisfied customer is a loyal customer, and a loyal customer is a valuable asset to any side hustle. Now let's talk about scaling your side hustle. Scaling is about increasing revenue at a faster rate than costs. Think of it as mastering the art of growth without stretching yourself too thin. So, how do you scale your side hustle effectively? Let's unwrap this. First, automation. This is about leveraging technology to streamline your operations. From social media scheduling tools to automated email marketing, there's a whole world of software designed to save you time and effort. The more tasks you can automate, the more you can focus on strategic growth. Second, outsourcing. If you're spending hours on tasks that aren't your strong suit, consider hiring a freelancer or a virtual assistant. This way, you're investing your time where it's most valuable in growing your hustle. Lastly, always be on the lookout for opportunities to increase efficiency. Whether it's through new partnerships or better software, every improvement can help you scale. Once your side hustle is scalable, it's time to diversify. Diversification is about spreading your eggs into different baskets. Just as you wouldn't put all your savings in one stock, you shouldn't limit yourself to one side hustle. The beauty of diversification lies in risk mitigation. Just as the sun doesn't shine every day, not every side hustle will bring in consistent income. By having multiple streams, you cushion yourself against the rainy days. Moreover, diversification opens up a world of opportunities. The online space is vast, teeming with niches waiting to be tapped into. By exploring different areas, you increase your chance of hitting a gold mine. Who knows, you might stumble upon a venture that outperforms all your other hustles. Remember, diversification doesn't mean spreading yourself too thin. It's about finding the right balance between managing your time and maximizing your income. And with good planning and execution, you can successfully manage multiple hustles without burning out. With diversification, you can maximize your earnings from your side hustles. Maximizing earnings is about making the most out of every opportunity. And in the realm of online side hustles, this means employing key strategies to boost your income. Firstly, consider upselling. This is when you encourage customers to buy a higher-end product or add on to increase the value of their purchase. It's about offering extra value that complements their existing purchase. For instance, if you're selling handmade soaps, you might upsell a complimentary body lotion or a soap dish. Next, think about cross-selling. This is where you suggest other products that go well with the customer's current interest. Using our previous example, if a customer is buying a lavender soap, you might cross-sell a lavender-scented candle. Remember, the key to successful upselling and cross-selling lies in truly understanding your customer's needs and offering real value. It's not about pushing products, but enhancing the customer's experience. With these strategies, you can truly maximize your online side hustles. So, there you have it. The top 10 tips to maximize your online side hustles. We've journeyed through recognizing the power of side hustles and the importance of identifying the right one. We've explored strategies to make your hustle work for you, and the significance of building a strong online presence. We delved into the art of branding, making your hustle stand out in the crowded online marketplace. Then we touched on building a loyal customer base, a crucial step to ensuring sustainable growth. We understood the importance of scaling your hustle and the art of diversifying it to mitigate risks. Finally, we learned about maximizing earnings from your various ventures. Each of these steps, when implemented effectively, can amplify your earnings, giving you the freedom and financial independence you desire. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So start hustling today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow hustlers.